see me on the video. I know you heard me on the radio.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yasmin Sade here. Today's video will be on this look. So basically, I will be showing you guys how I make my lighter eyeshadows more pigmented without like spending a ton of money on just eyeshadow base. I'm using the NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil. And then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place palette. I can't remember which one it is, but I think it's Zulu. And I'm taking the yellow in there. And I found out from my own personal experience that it's really about the brushes. It's all about the type of brushes you use to apply certain colors. Now, these brushes are cheap. I got them from BH Cosmetics. But basically, I use a blending brush for the, the outer portion, like the crease and stuff. And then to pack the color onto my lid, I just use a packing brush. And I just, packed it up. And as you can see, like, the color really showed up. I know sometimes being a woman of color, it's really hard to make colors just pop on our eyelids. And this is what I found to be helpful for me. If you guys have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. And I didn't go through my full makeup routine because it's so repetitive. Like, really hasn't anything changed if you watched any of my older videos. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. You guys stay up, stay positive, and stay blessed.